Unwrapping the Whole Package, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the English language, the whole package. This phrase is rich in meaning and can add a lot of depth to your conversation. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding this phrase will certainly give you an edge. So, let's unpack the whole package together. The whole package refers to all the characteristics, features, or elements someone or something has, often in a positive context. It implies that the person or thing in question is not just good in one aspect but excels in many or all relevant areas. For instance, when talking about a person, it can mean they are smart, kind, and attractive. Essentially, they have all desirable qualities. When referring to an object or a product, it suggests that it meets or exceeds expectations in every relevant way. The phrase, the whole package, likely originated from the idea of receiving a package where everything you hoped for is included. In everyday use, it can apply to various scenarios, from describing an ideal job candidate to evaluating a product. The key to using this phrase effectively lies in the context. It's most impactful when it conveys a sense of completeness and excellence. To help you understand how to use the whole package in conversation, here are a few examples. She's the whole package: intelligent, compassionate, and beautiful. This car is the whole package: affordable, reliable, and stylish. We're looking for a candidate who's the whole package. Notice how the phrase elevates the subject by suggesting they are not just good but exceptional in multiple facets. Understanding synonyms can help you use the whole package in different contexts without repetition. Some synonyms include all-in-one, complete set, jack of all trades, for a person, full deal. Each of these can be used interchangeably depending on the context, allowing you to keep your language vibrant and engaging. In summary, the whole package is a versatile phrase that enriches your English vocabulary, allowing you to express completeness and excellence succinctly. Whether you're describing a person, a product, or a situation, this phrase can help you convey a lot of positive attributes quickly and effectively. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using the whole package in your daily conversations and writings. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.